Apple's secret weapon, Microsoft's Aurora, Elon's dirty secret, Zoom's cloners, and polluted Google search. All this on this edition of Tech's Edge. In this first story, we learned today that Apple and OpenAI are reportedly teaming up to integrate ChatGPT into the iPhone's operating system. This is significant because it is not an app, but part of the software running the phone itself. This could be a major announcement at Apple's annual Worldwide Developers Conference coming up next week. Imagine ChatGPT as a core feature on your iPhone, powering Siri or even managing notifications. This partnership could end the long-standing battle between Google and OpenAI to dominate AI on iPhones, putting OpenAI in front of millions of users. Remember, it was announced that Google pays Apple billions to be the preferred search service on iPhones. And this new partnership could change how we interact with our iPhones and devices, making AI more accessible and useful in everyday life. Plus, Apple's been lagging in AI innovation, so this move could give them a much-needed boost. Okay, in this next story, we learned that Microsoft is unveiling a new tool called Aurora, an AI-based weather forecasting system that predicts air pollution levels. This isn't just another weather app based on temperature, humidity, and wind. Aurora uses a whopping 1.3 billion parameter AI model trained on millions of hours of climate data. It can create a 10-day forecast in minutes, rivaling traditional supercomputer models, but it doesn't require a supercomputer, unlike Google's DeepMind and NVIDIA's application. Plus, it can predict severe weather events like hurricanes and even air pollution levels globally. Imagine the impact on cities, especially in underserved areas, getting early warnings about dangerous pollutants. This tech uses advanced 3D swim transformers and perceiver-based encoders to analyze atmospheric data like wind speed and greenhouse gases, uncovering patterns we'd otherwise miss. While more testing is needed, Aurora's potential to revolutionize weather and pollution forecasting is huge. So NSFW content is making waves at X, as it was just officially announced it will be supported on the social media platform, allowing consensual adult content as long as it's properly labeled. This isn't a huge policy shift, but more of a business strategy to attract adult content creators who've been marginalized on other platforms like Meta. This could be a significant revenue generator for X, as their types of creators have faced account bans and shadow bans elsewhere. X is signaling that it's open for NSFW business, and might even monetize this content in the future. While this could boost X's traffic and revenue, it also comes with risks, especially around policing illegal content. I wonder how such content will be carefully integrated into the user's feeds and exactly what will be exposed when at work. Alright, in this next story, we discuss AI agents. Not just any AI agent, but a digital clone of you. Have you ever wished you could skip those endless Zoom meetings and tedious emails? Zoom CEO Eric Yuan has a vision that might just make those two dreams a reality. In a recent interview, Yuan shared his plans to introduce AI digital twins that can handle your online tasks, from attending meetings to writing emails. Imagine your AI clone doing all of your grunt work, freeing you up for a 3 or 4-day work week with your feet up on the beach. Crowded beaches aside, Yuan believes this tech could give us more time for in-person interactions and creative pursuits. While we're not quite there yet, Zoom is already making strides with AI features like meeting summaries. Like other CEOs, Eric takes an optimistic view of technology, but also has much to gain. Who will pay for Zoom if nobody is working? Our last story just shows how fast technology is moving. Remember when Google announced their AI search just a few weeks ago, and then Perplexity.ai announced their new Pages feature last week? If you're not familiar, this new feature generates Wikipedia-like web pages, fully deployable and cited. Well, wouldn't you know it, but these pages are now showing up in Google's AI overviews and featured snippets. This is probably why Moz search scientists today warned of SEO challenges ahead for those in the SEO industry as well as online content creators. This is a big deal because it means your AI generated content can get more visibility and engagement, but it could also lead to spammy tactics with people trying to game the system to subvert human generated content. Google's long term handling of this remains to be seen.
If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to the channel. Don't forget to hit the like button and share with your friends. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.